Sígame aquí.
Sí.
Bien, ¿cierto?
Sí, señor.
¿Ah?
Super bien. Mad physicists at work, trying to understand the way the world works. Butt Busters 2016. Ayúdale, Francisco. Todos. San Antonio de Prado here. Got mis amigos helping me here with the calentador. We've got our first hot water. You can see there, that is steaming water. The water source is up there, that blue tank. That is water that has come straight from the mountains here, outside of Medellin in Colombia, coming out. It is too hot to touch. It is steaming water. Mix it with colder water for duchas calientes, warm showers for the ciclistas here. We've got Oregon, we've got Diego, Cristian. Sí, tres argentinos aquí. Gracias, Sol. Gracias, Apolo.